You guys are probably wondering where I've been for like a month. And I got to be honest, I have been overwhelmed and overworked and just swamped. And I've been also thinking about whether I want to continue doing this channel at all. If you were at my last live stream, then you saw me having kind of like a moment of crisis where I'm like, I don't know, should I even keep doing this? Because it gets frustrating and it gets difficult. And there's times when I'll put out a video like the last Fix My Story one and it gets not a whole lot of views. And I start to think, either maybe nobody likes what I'm saying, or maybe nobody needs that information, or maybe nobody likes me. I don't know. Plus, I also run a company that I co own, and that has been insanely busy. If you follow my Shirley Jump social media at all, then you will have seen me all over the place in Tampa. I work a lot of hours. I travel, I speak, I do a lot of other things, and that consumes a lot of time. So when I think about on the weekends and in the evenings when I'm home with my husband, like, should I record a video and edit a video? Sometimes that is the last thing I want to do. I just want a glass of wine. And I'm also kind of at this moment where I'm like, do I know what I'm doing even? I've worked on this channel for 3 years. I've really worked hard to try to get it to where it is. But I struggle with whether I'm doing the right thing, whether this is what you guys want to see. And at the same time, I had a book that I submitted to HarperCollins that the editor had me change and then change again. And I'm on the third change. And I got to say that that threw me for a loop. I published a bazillion books and I keep thinking, oh, I know the secrets. I'm going to teach everybody. Then I have an editor say, no, 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 let's do this. Now, granted, the editor is mostly right. I find that most editors I work with are about 80 to 90% right. I am moving into a new genre, so I have some things to learn about changing the way that I approach plotting and the way that I approach writing in order to fit this genre of suspense. It's been a learning curve. And while I can tell you guys what to do and how you can improve a scene, sometimes I forget all that when I write my own books. And when you have somebody say, this doesn't work, it creates a huge moment of crisis because you worked so hard on it. And that can be really disheartening. And I know that. So when I do the Fix My Story videos, trust me that I know how that feels and that my only goal is to help you write a really great book. All that said, I'm still struggling with where I'm going to go in the future and how much time I have and where I'm going to spend it. I do have several videos planned and a few that I'll be recording today and putting out over the coming weeks. And I really, really love you guys. I had not realized how lonely writing had become after 2020 until I started this channel and started talking to you all on Fridays. You guys have been super supportive and super sweet and reminded me why I love to write in the first place. So I appreciate it and I love you guys. And in return, I have a favor to ask of you guys to share, subscribe, hype this channel. That's like a new feature on YouTube. I don't really know how it works, but you can hype a video if you really like it. And that pushes it out in the algorithm. So drop a comment, hit the heart button. Remember to hit subscribe. I always forget to tell people that. Just let me know. And I promise there will be more to come very soon.